Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. Are you looking for a quality tire for your motorcycle? Well, I want to show you this Dunlop Sportmax Q3 rear motorcycle tire. Dunlop tires are known for their excellent quality and longevity, and this one is no different. So we have this here in the size 160/60 ZSR 17 on a vintage race bike restoration project. So currently we're not riding this bike, but we have ridden it for a long distances and used this tire, and it has held up super well. So I really appreciate the tread pattern, which offers awesome grip and stability and really great feel when you are riding the bike. So this has been such a great tire for handling and also for wearing super well. And I think it looks really nice on this bike, which is a bonus. So I would definitely recommend this tire, and that's my point of view.